All right, this is the 2 week review of my peppers here. So let's go ahead and let's get them out of these little small pods and get them into a nice sized cup before they go into their final home. And yeah, let's go ahead and get that started on these guys. Let's get them repotted. Now, before we get to planting, we're going to go ahead and get our soil ready first. Put a little bit in a cup, about that much I say. And then we're going to give it some Epsom salt. So those little roots, when they come down here, they have a nice little bed to start in. We're going to do that for each cup. And then we're going to make our water. We're going to put a teaspoon of Epsom salt in the water per gallon. And this is what we'll feed them with. Alright guys, I'm sorry. I think I said teaspoon. I meant a tablespoon. If I said that wrong, I meant a tablespoon. Let that dissolve in there. All right, let's get to finish making our cups. All right, let's get these girls moved over. And also, folks, don't forget to label your plants. I don't know if you guys, however you want to keep up with them. I keep a chart of what I got, but just make sure you're labeling your plants. I don't know what these little flies are, but they come and go all the time. Just kind of give it a squeeze like that, you know, and the pepper will come out. Set her in there gently and just start pouring dirt around her. Hold her in place until she can hold herself up. And kind of get it around there a little bit. Right, that's one down and 12 to go. See, when the roots start wrapping around like that, that's a good time to transplant. And sometimes you'll see the roots coming out the bottom, or you can see the bottom of them inside the little watering drain hose. Get that to focus there. Anyway, you get the picture. There you go. You can, like that right there, you can see the roots. You can see the roots in there. That's a good time to go ahead and start transplanting. All right, now once we have them all into their little new homes for a minute, just for a second, this is not going to be a forever home. We're going to put them back in the tray, and we're going to bottom feed them. Alright, salt has all dissolved. Let's go ahead and give these girls a first with a watering, and they'll take up what they need, so you don't really have to worry about putting too much in there. They're going to drink up what they need. And after that, and just watch them progress. Welcome to your new home, girls.